What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Lexus IS350 F Sport all-wheel drive. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 with 311 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The rear-wheel drive model has an 8-speed automatic. So I saw that I made a video on the rear-wheel drive, but I never made a video on the all-wheel drive for the 2022 IS350 F Sport, so here we are. Thanks to my boy Ryan for letting me borrow his car to make a video. He wanted to see his own car in a video, so I was like, yeah, let's do it. But anyways, only 10,000 miles on this one. Really low miles vehicle, so great car. Put my phone away real quick. Right, yep. So you have the Lexus LFA digital gauge cluster. I really miss how Lexus used to put these in their ISs. Now the 2026 model has this really laggy digital cluster, which sucks. This one's way better. I love this gauge cluster, one of my favorite gauge clusters in the car business. This one doesn't have the dynamic handling package, so it does not have Sport Plus and only has Sport mode. You have the bigger screen in this one too with navigation. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Mark Levinson sound system, heated seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel, which is really nice. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera. So yeah, that upgraded screen's nice, because some IS350 F Sports have this small screen, and this one's like an upgrade with the navigation package. You also have a sunroof and nice comfortable black leather seats, paddle shifters. So this is a pretty loaded IS350 F Sport. I think this has everything except dynamic handling package. So let's walk around this IS350 and then we'll go for a drive. Sounds pretty good. Nothing beats a naturally aspirated 3.5 liter V6. Exterior is finished in cloudburst gray. F Sport badge on the fender. Nice chrome, dark chrome wheels. You have the Lexus spindle grille and really distinctive daytime running lights. Here are the rear seats with your AC vents in the back. You have a deck-lid spoiler, IS350 badge on the back, as well as all-wheel drive badge. What's weird is they don't have the F Sport badge on the back on these things. Here's the trunk space, pretty good. Pretty standard for a sedan of this size. You also have dual outlet exhaust out back and a pretty nice looking rear diffuser. Gas cap is on the left side. But anyways, enough of that. Let's go for a drive. I do wish these came with the wireless charging tray. They don't have that, unfortunately. But anyways, let's go. So the IS350 F Sport is a great car, very popular vehicle, really good looking car. And you know, you can't go wrong with a Lexus. Like, these things last a long time, they're well built. And the IS350 is just a great daily driving vehicle. I prefer the way these look over the new 2026 facelift, both the interior and exterior wise. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, the seats really hold you in place. Feel good. I'm just adjusting them real quick so I can see the road a little bit better. It takes me a while to get comfortable in the seat because of my long legs. You know, IS350 videos are always very popular on this channel. I don't know why, but anytime I make a video on an IS350, RC350, etc., people seem to love them. So here we are. Yeah, good acceleration. The gearing on these cars is definitely really tall. But at the end of the day, it's just something that you get used to, I guess. The owner of the vehicle told me he wants me to rev out the car and drive in a spirited manner, so let's do it. Yeah, it's very nice to drive. The suspension feels great, the steering feels great, seats feel great, everything is really nice for daily driving. IS350 F Sports always hold their value really well too, for good reason. Lexus models in general tend to hold their value well, but especially IS350s. And with the new facelift, IS350 being a little polarizing, many people are opting for the pre-facelift IS350. So I suspect those values will hold for a while. Man, this sounds good. But yeah, even in the sport mode, it's still very comfortable. It doesn't make the ride harsh or anything like that. It's different steering, different suspension a little bit, and all those good things. But anyways, really fun 2022 Lexus IS350 F Sport all-wheel drive right here. Great cars. I would always recommend an IS350 F Sport to anyone who's looking for a stylish, fun, reliable daily driving vehicle. It is definitely an expensive vehicle, but if you can afford it and you want it, you should definitely go for it. And thanks to Ryan, who's a big viewer of the channel, for letting me borrow his vehicle. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope your friends and family enjoyed the video when you send it to them. But thanks to everyone for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and stay tuned for the next video. I'm out.